Swipe right, it will open the Google Assistant for me. Swipe left, it will go to the app drawer. In case I swipe up, it will give me the step count. Also, if I long press on the clock, it will open another clock. Also, if I press 3 times on this clock, it will open theater mode, which will lock this watch and definitely dim the brightness of the watch also. Here I will be discussing about this special launcher for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this launcher can be one of the best launcher to have on the watch. This launcher comes with a lot of settings, like you can change the brightness of the watch from the app drawer itself, and also you can have this bubble format app icons which absolutely look amazing. So in this video we will see all the functions of this launcher and whether this launcher is useful in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or not. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are at enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this launcher comes with a beautiful always on display. As you can see, this is the ambient display which this launcher shows, and in this launcher you will be able to see not only the time but also the battery percentage of your connected device. Here you can see the battery percentage of this phone is 29%, and if I go to watch also, you will see it is syncing the battery percentage here. So I tap on this 2 times, you will see that my phone will be ringing here. So if I want to find my phone, definitely I can do this from here. So one of the really good launchers to have all the necessary information in one place on the top of the watch face. Also it is showing me the watch battery along with the date and the day, and also there are several icons which I can click and go to this specific app. So if I want to go to Play Store, I can click in here to go to Play Store, and there is a quick shortcut also with which I can view some of the important information like the step count. So if I want to know the step count, I have to just swipe up, and here is the step count which it is showing in here. And there is an app drawer also which I can access. So if I swipe right, you will be able to see the app drawer here which shows you the media player first, the contacts, the settings of this launcher. Also there is an option to hide the recent bubbles. Also if I want to go to other apps, I can do that by swiping right. So here is an inbuilt flashlight also, so which I can turn on if I want, and this is inbuilt in the launcher only. I don't need to do anything else. So there are these apps which are installed on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 which I can access from here, and other things are also there, like I can configure shortcuts in this launcher. So to configure shortcuts, I need to go to the settings of the launcher here, and here you will be able to see a lot of options. So first option is by swiping left, what will be the action that it will perform. So I have assigned it to open the app drawer, and also I can add complications like there is a peak card which I have configured to show the step count. So I have already shown that in the beginning of the video. Also other things are there, like the most important thing is the shortcuts. So shortcuts can be really helpful, as I will be able to go to apps and other options directly from the watch face. So there is a quick swipe panel. So if I swipe left, it will open the voice search which I have already configured, and if I tap long on the clock, it will give me something like a timer. So let's see whether it is working or not. So if I swipe left, it is opening the Google Assistant, which is the voice search. If I tap and hold on this clock, it will open the ambient display, and I can also triple tap to open the theater mode once I want to. So the watch will be locked and I need to unlock by doing some specific actions in here. Also there are haptic feedback which is available by pressing the icons or the buttons or the watch face, you can say. I can assign shortcuts for the key press also. So here you can see there are many options available. Even the app launcher options are also available if you want. In the shortcut, both the buttons can be configured here to do specific things, and you can also configure the whole thing, how the watch face is looking, what is the margin, what type of bubbles it will show, whether it will show big bubbles, whether it will show small bubbles, what will be the ambient mode which you can also select. You can select the display, how it will display the bubbles in the watch, and also you can select the space and the background of the watch face. So really a nice launcher to have on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Definitely I will recommend to have it on your watch also. So the name of the launcher is Bubble Cloud Wear OS launcher. So this launcher is available in the Play Store and you can install it on the watch. Really nice launcher to have on the watch, and you can see definitely what type of customization it brings on the watch, which really blow your mind if you are installing this on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.